back to Gruber Motor Company, the Tesla Roadster repair organization. This unusual car came to us a couple of weeks ago. It had a matte black wrap on it. Wasn't done very well, and we were hired to remove the wrap. And the claim was that underneath was going to be a great white paint job, which is exactly what ended up happening. So far we've fixed the sunburn on the headlights. They were peeling, and we were almost completed with the car and realized that the backup camera wasn't working properly. So we started to dig into the wiring, and as you can see inside, we really started to dig deep because the problem wasn't readily apparent. And the next thing you know, we found an evidence of a rodent living inside this channel right here. And then we began to realize that there was an absence of food in this Roadster, so whatever was inhabiting it began to improvise. We found that the camera coax cable was eaten in half. This was just a lousy job connecting up the aftermarket camera system with the stereo. So we're going to repair and replace this. And as you can see here, there are some wires that are chewed and some bedding that was left inside the car. So this is going to be an interesting project. We're going to have to first remove some of the rodent residue and work on the electronics and get the camera working again. What we're doing here is to verify that the camera is functional. We're going to remove it and put it up with the camera drive box, which is up underneath the dash there. Overall, this car is actually an R80 car, so it has the upgraded battery pack, but it's missing the badging. And what makes it really cool and different than some of the other Roadsters we have is we left the tail light lenses blacked out, and the lettering has a blacked out treatment, including the Tesla T on the front here. So we thought you might enjoy seeing the variety of repairs that we end up getting with Tesla Roadsters. As always, please watch our channel, subscribe. We've got cool stuff going on here all the time. Thank you.